The most fluffy, delicious Panipopo.
Alright, let's make Panipopo.
Cup of warm milk.
That's a bowl.
Half a cup of warm water.
Half a cup of warm water.
Teaspoon of sugar.
That is a knife, but it's your recipe, so a knife full of sugar, here it is.
2 teaspoons of instant yeast or a sachet.
I don't have a sachet, but I know it's 7 grams of instant yeast.
Leave it to bloom for 5 to 10 minutes. A bay.
Leave it to bloom for 5 to 10 minutes a bay.
Into your yeast, a 1/4 cup of melted butter.
1/4 cup of melted butter.
And 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
I can buy myself flour.
I'm gonna knead this for about 5 minutes.
I'm gonna need this for longer than 5 minutes because the dough is so sticky at this point. I needed to add a lot of flour.
I'm gonna let this rest for about an hour.
Dough gets to rest. It must be nice.
So I'm just gonna spread it out and then roll it up.
Spread them.
No Samoa.
No Samoa. I cut them into 8, unfortunately not very
I'm gonna
evenly.
use my cake tin, which I've lined. Let them rest for 15 minutes while I make the coconut cream sauce.
Let them rest. Someone tell my kids that. People are always really impressed by people who can open a can with a knife. What if I told you I can open a can with a spoon? Ta-da!
Tin of coconut milk
Tin of cocoa, tin of
and
cocoa.
some condensed milk.
Okay, blow the condensed milk, or just tip it in.
Yum.
Time to taste it. Yuck! Coconut milk just didn't work for me, so here's the more expensive coconut cream and condensed milk.
I like to cook mine in the sauce.
Filled it to about halfway up.
In the oven they go, fan bake 180.
Okay, in the oven they go, fan bake 180 for 30 minutes, and to top it up every 10 minutes, she said. So here I am topping it up, and here's the final product. As advertised, moist, fluffy, and delicious. Honestly, guys, I was blown away by how good these were. Just nailed Panipopo in one go. Take that! Also, follow me so I can make more internet recipes. Okay, love you, bye!